Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Enjoy watching! So at first you should open the clock icon, and in this application we can move to the alarm here, and by using this plus icon we can add a new alarm. So choose an exact time that you wish your alarm to ring. For me it will be 4:07, yeah, like this. And now we can choose the exact day that we wish to use our ringtone. This letter stays for a day in week, so we can change it. We can set up to the Monday and Tuesday, and I think that's all. Change the alarm name. I can tap go to shopping, for example. Then click save, and now we can edit it. We can edit the alarm sound, so let's press this and let's move to the ringtone, and now we can choose from available ringtones the one that we like the most. So after that we have to just get back to the previous page. As you can see, our alarm is ringing, so I can dismiss it or take a snooze. The exact time of snooze we can set up it here, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or a custom, and how many times you wish it to repeat. From my personal experience I can say that 5 minutes and 3 times it's good enough. We can also change the vibration. If we want to completely turn it off or on, we can use silent, or we can choose from available Galaxy sounds that we wish to use. After that we can also change the sensitivity of these vibrations by using this slider. If we are done, just go back to the previous page. We also can choose the alarm background. For me it's gonna be like this. I press done to finish all of the changes, then press save. Now my ringtone should repeat every Monday and Tuesday, every week. So that would be all for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!